Campbell University's Master of Science in Pharmaceutical Sciences prepares you for a lifelong career in the pharmaceutical industry. Taught by professionals and industry experts, you'll gain valuable real-world experience both in the classroom and the lab before you graduate. We partner with companies from the largest research park in North America, the Research Triangle Park. It's made up of the cities of Raleigh, Durham, and Chapel Hill, home to more than 300 pharmaceutical and bioscience companies.
I feel like one of the most rewarding things I get from the program is the experience of the industry before jumping into the industry. The thing is, the curriculum here at Campbell for Pharmaceutical Sciences is very comprehensive, like really very important to have hands-on experience on instrumentation because that is what you will be working in the future.
Being a smaller school, Campbell provides a personal attention to students. From learning into the labs, I get to handle the instruments individually, which makes me confident.
One of the biggest concerns was the affordability for me. What was the tuition fees and what's the cost of living? I compared to another programs for tuition fees, but I find the Campbell was more cheaper, like 20% more cheaper.
You'll have the opportunity to engage in challenging applied research and clinical manufacturing at PERC. The Pharmaceutical Education and Research Center is an on-campus facility that manufactures products and provides research for pharmaceutical companies. Here, you'll receive extensive hands-on experience using state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment and analytical instrumentation. You'll also receive all the support and resources needed to advance your career. The program is designed specifically to accommodate your journey to Campbell.
Campbell faculty provides really good support, starting from the admission process, scheduling the interviews, as well as checking up on the visa status.
I got a lot of support while I was applying at the Campbell. All the aspects of the application, like how to get a scholarship, what things we need to apply, what things we need to be ready for before coming to Campbell. So everything was super coordinated.
Our admissions coordinator, Ms. Linan Fowle, as well as professors, provide the support and guidance you need to safely arrive to the United States and to thrive here at Campbell.
That support has been phenomenal to assure my parents back in India that I'm safe and getting the opportunity that what I needed.
We prepare students to excel in the ever-expanding world of healthcare. Discover your purpose and take the next step to go beyond the expected at Campbell University.